data extraction to bronze layer only. But what is this one? This is other data, not EMR data, right? So except, okay, non-EMR data, non-EMR data. So other than EMR, for EMR, we already have this pipeline. So this is what non-EMR data extraction to bronze layer. So this pipeline I have created. Okay, so first what what is the other data, guys? Can anyone tell me what is the other data means? So other data means in bronze layer we have API data, right? So these two notebooks will be what they will be doing. They will be extracting the data. So they will be extracting the data from APIs to bronze layer. So this notebook I have to call. So after running this one, so after running this PL extraction EMR, what I need to run? So I need to run this notebooks, right? So I need to run this API extract and this API extract and this API extract. I need to run. Okay, so which activity we will be using, guys? If I want to run from ADF, if I want to run these two notebooks or this notebook I want to run, so which activity I need to use?
Databricks.
Yeah, so Databricks activity you will be here. So notebook activity you will be having. This one will be what? What is this? ICD code API extract. ICD extract branch. Okay, so we don't have any Databricks related linked service, right? Till now we haven't created this Databricks. Till now we haven't done this. And I mean, from ADF. So till now we haven't run Databricks notebooks, right? So
Yes,
that's why we need to create Azure Databricks link service, and both are from Azure only. So this auto resolve is okay. Azure subscription will be pay as you go. Databricks workspace will be DBX. This one. Cluster will be what? Cluster ID we need to have, right? Compute DBX cluster. This one will be our cluster ID. This is not.
Gopi, one doubt. You are selected, right?
Without page, I didn't get you.
Like in the free subscription, can't we do this?
Yeah, we can do it.
Okay.
One minute. So this new. Okay, as you go. DBX. Access token we need to create, right? So from where I can create this access token? Settings, developer, access tokens. Create new. Copy this. Paste here. Okay. Okay, so ICD extract branch. Like this, we need to add one more notebook. Okay, so let me add one more notebook activity here, one more and one more. So these are our no need to connect them in series because these all are independent, right? So next one is what? After ICD, we have NPI data. This notebook can be NPI data. So this one we can use. Oh, sorry. So what we have done here, this is not completed, guys. So we have, so for this ICD, what we have done, so we have given name. So name and linked service we have created, but notebook path we haven't given, right? So notebook path you can select from here because we are running that notebook. So how can we run? So if you give the notebook path, then only it will run. I will show you other method. This will be time taking to this will be time taking. So I will show you. API extract, right? ICD code. So now what it will do? So whenever you run this pipeline, what ADF will do? So it will connect to. So we have given linked service, right? Linked service which has a cluster and compute and all the information it has. So it has this environment and it will be working on this cluster. And okay, and next we need to provide the notebook path. This notebook path it will take. Okay, so now whenever you run this pipeline, it will run. It is going to run this notebook ICD extract to bronze. Okay, so next one is what? NPA data. So NPA data, here we need to provide the path, right? So what I will do, here we have NPA data. So I will copy this path, copy full path. I will paste it here. This is very simple.
Obi, could you please show once again how to copy the path?
Yeah, I will tell you, no problem. So this is NPA data, right? We have one more data. That is claims data. Okay. So this one will be claims. If we can select the same link service. Okay, so notebook path we need to have, right? Just click on these three dots. Here you will be having copy URL or path. So copy full path. That's it. Clear?
Yeah, okay.
And at last we need claims data. API extract is claims data CPT codes, right? So this will be last one. Full path. This is CPT. Okay, publish this. Now if I run this, so which notebook will execute first, guys? If I run this pipeline, which notebook is going to execute first?
It will parallelly execute all.
Yeah, so because there is no dependency, right? So this will start executing all of them in parallel. Okay, let me run now. This is non-EMR data extraction to bronze, right? So this is EMR data extraction to bronze. This is non-EMR data extraction to bronze. So we will be creating one more pipeline that is silver layer, this one. So all the silver layer notebooks. We will be creating last pipeline that is gold layer. Now what we will be doing in master pipeline, you will be having one master pipeline. In that master pipeline, first we will call this pipeline, second this, third that one, and fourth that one. So they will be executed in SQL. Don't worry, I will show you. in bronze layer. Okay, so I think Gopi, from where can we see this is running correctly or not? So from here we can see, right? So from here you can see the pipeline run, which notebook is running. Okay, so those are you can see from here. Here you can monitor. If you want to see the logs means so in that notebook particularly which cell is running now. So you can click here. Okay, so this claims data we have, right? So you can click on this tab and you can click on this notebook. Now what we can do, we can see the logs where exactly it is running now. So it is running on the first cell only. Which one is taking? I think ICD. Let's open this. You can see guys, CPU usage is 100%. That's why. So this I know. So this has a very we have given 8 GB only, right? So that's why you can see CPU utilization is 100%. Because it has very small compute, that's why it is not able to you can see, so run failed with could not reach driver of cluster. Okay, so you know this will happen. What I can do, so in this case it has very limited capacity, right? So it cannot handle 4 of them, so I will be running in sequence now. What is the difference between these two guys? Earlier we have in parallel, and now it is in series. What is the difference now?
So it will execute first one, then after first it will succeed, then second will execute.
Correct,
It
correct.
is in
So
sequence.
resources are not shared now.
Yeah.
Resource means our compute will be first. It will be our compute will be allocated to this one, and once it finished, it will be allocated to this one. So now, so earlier 4 works are doing. So 4 works are has to be computed by this cluster now. Okay, so now this cluster will work on individual notebooks. First this one, if it completes this one, so if you complete this one, so the work will be now not shared. Work is not shared. Once it is completed, this one we will be performing with after that this one. So if you have big compute or if you have good compute now, then we can run them parallelly. So first one this, right? Now can anyone see this now? Earlier it is in red color, right? 100% utilization. Now what is the utilization? Are you able to see the difference, guys?
20% Gopi.
20%.
What is happening? These all are completed. How they will complete? Okay, okay. First it has completed. Okay, so now let me check this data. So claims data. So now you can see, guys, 11 means today only, right? 11 you can see. So claims data has refreshed today. Okay, and CPT data also refreshed today only, 11. Okay, so we have NPI data also, ICD data, so refreshed today only, 11. Okay, and we have NPA data that also refreshed today, so 11. Okay, so like this, what we can do? Okay, so let me show you, Gopi, how to do this. So first we have, what we have, this one. First we have this one. After that, this notebook, this pipeline has to run, right? Let me create one master pipeline. So in real time also we will create like this only, guys. Master pipeline. Okay, so first what we can do? So first which one? So we have two. This one, right? Which one has to run first, guys? Among these two, which one has to run first?
EMR data.
This one, right? So this is what, which activity I need to use here. Guys, I told you. So to invoke other execute pipeline activity we need to use. So to this execute, what will be this pipeline name? EMR data. Okay, so invoke first pipeline, this one, right? PEL extraction EMR. So this pipeline first. Okay, next I will add one more execute one, this. So this is non-EMR data. Non-EMR. Which one I need to execute? So non-EMR data. So first it has to run. Once it is successful, then only this has to run. Here I will create one more pipeline, that is bronze to silver. So bronze to silver data, and at last I will create fourth pipeline, that is silver to gold. Okay, so in bronze to silver I will be having all these notebooks. So silver notebooks are right. So like this, I will be in non-EMR data. We have this like this. We have notebooks. In this silver to bronze to silver also, I will be having all these notebooks. In other pipeline, fourth pipeline, that is silver to bronze, silver to gold, we will be having these notebooks. Okay, so silver to bronze means other notebooks, these notebooks. And once first, what we will be doing? First, we will be running this EMR extraction, non-EMR extraction, then silver to gold pipeline, and at last, I mean bronze to silver pipeline, silver to gold pipeline here. Clear, guys? So what it will do now? So first, if you run this master pipeline, first it will run this pipeline. So first it is going to run, it will execute this EMR pipeline. Next it will run non-EMR pipeline. Next it will run a bronze to silver pipeline. At last it will run silver to gold pipeline. Once it is successful, it moves here. Once this is successful, it moves here. Once this is successful, it moves here. Clear?